You want that perfect backyard barbecue flavor, but you also desperately want the crispy magic of an air fryer without dealing with a massive, messy kitchen. Well, I finally found the absolute best outdoor air fryers that actually deliver on that promise. I am going to break down exactly which ones are actually worth your hard-earned cash. I will also reveal the one specific model that completely replaced my entire traditional backyard setup.
Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill and Air Fryer. I know you have probably seen this thing all over your social media feeds lately. It is incredibly popular right now. The main appeal here is that it combines a standard electric grill with a smoker and an outdoor air fryer, all powered by a standard electrical outlet. You just plug it in, add a tiny scoop of real wood pellets to the little side box, and you get that authentic wood fire flavor without needing a full massive bag of charcoal. Here's what matters when you actually start using it. The air frying basket does a pretty decent job for a quick batch of fries or some chicken wings. I tested it out on a lazy Saturday afternoon, and the convection fan moves the hot air around pretty well. It gets those wings nice and crispy. The added smoke flavor definitely elevates the taste in a way your standard indoor air fryer just cannot match. You know, it really is a clever concept for small patios or apartment balconies where you cannot have open flames. But honestly, there are some things you really need to know before you spend your money on it. The cooking surface is surprisingly small once you actually start loading it up with real food. I tried to cook a meal for 4 people, and I ended up having to work in multiple long batches. That completely defeats the entire purpose of a quick outdoor dinner. I mean, nobody wants to eat in awkward shifts while the designated chef is stuck hovering over a tiny electric grill. 3. Cuisinart FlavorBoost 8-in-1 Outdoor Electric Grill and Air Fryer. Cuisinart is obviously a massive name in kitchen appliances, so I naturally had some pretty high expectations for this specific unit. It sits on a portable cart, making it look a bit more like a traditional freestanding grill compared to the little Ninja. The 8-in-1 label simply means it can grill, air fry, roast, bake, and do a few other things that are essentially just different temperature settings. When I first unboxed and set it up, I really liked the overall visual look and the fact that it comes with its own dedicated folding stand. The air fryer function uses this specialized deep basket that sits right over the main electric heating elements. I threw in a huge family-sized batch of potato wedges and some breaded shrimp to see how it handled a completely full load. The heat distribution is actually pretty solid. It gets surprisingly hot for a standard plug-in electric unit. The advertised FlavorBoost technology is essentially just an integrated wood chip box designed to add smoke to your food. It works okay, but I found that it takes a really long time to get the chips smoldering properly. I found myself standing around staring at the closed lid, just wondering when the smoke was finally going to show up. Once it finally does, the flavor is fine, but it definitely lacks the deep punch you get from real hardwood logs or even the concentrated pellets used in other competing models. 2. Char Broil Big Easy Outdoor Air Fryer. Now we are finally getting to the really good stuff. This thing is an absolute beast of a machine. It is completely different from the first 2 models because it is actually powered by a liquid propane tank rather than an electrical wall outlet. It uses Charbroil's true infrared technology to cook the food. That essentially means it radiates intense heat evenly from all sides without ever using a single drop of oil. I mean, the sheer capacity of this thing is absolutely incredible. It basically looks like a large metal cylinder, and it is specifically designed from the ground up to handle massive, heavy cuts of meat. I actually tested it first with a massive whole chicken, and then a few days later, well, I cooked a huge, heavy pork roast. You literally just drop the food into the large metal basket, lower it directly into the cooking chamber, and let the infrared heat do its magic. There is no open flame ever touching the food, which means you get absolutely zero dangerous flare-ups. The final cooking results absolutely blew me away.
The skin on the whole chicken was perfectly crispy all the way around the bird, while the white meat inside stayed incredibly moist and juicy. You know, usually when you try to air fry a whole bird in a standard machine, the top gets totally burnt while the bottom stays gross and soggy. Not here. The infrared heat completely surrounds the food.
Blackstone Bronco 36-inch Griddle Air Fryer combo. Let me just say, this beautiful machine completely changed how I cook outside my house. It is a massive, heavy-duty flat-top griddle that also features 3 large air fryer drawers built right into the front lower panel. It is the ultimate all-in-one outdoor cooking station. I literally spent weeks cooking every single meal on this thing just to see if it lived up to the hype. You get 4 fully independent heat zones on the massive 36-inch flat-top griddle. That means you can easily be searing thick steaks on one side on high heat while gently cooking delicate eggs on the other side. But the real star of the show for this specific video is the integrated air fryer system. The dual 4-quart air fryer drawers plus a dedicated warming drawer run on propane gas heat, but require a standard wall plug to spin the circulation fan. It is a brilliant hybrid system that gives you immense cooking power. The pure convenience of having your flat-top griddle and your air fryer in the exact same spot is honestly hard to overstate. Yesterday, I cooked a massive pile of smashed burgers on the hot flat top. At the exact same time, I had fresh French fries perfectly crisping up in the air fryer drawers right below the burgers. It is honestly a beautiful thing to coordinate an entire massive dinner without ever having to run frantically back inside the house to check the indoor oven. Final thought? That's all for today, folks.